Class 2024, and I officially declare these games open.
Just go with it.
Today is a very important and significant day for us, the National Prosecution Service 11. Today, we will not only display sportsmanship, but we will display the very important thing that makes our region a successful region. And that is, of course, the display of unity. I am inviting everyone and encouraging everyone to join and participate. Show your love and dedication as public servant. We will continue to be one of the best regions in the entire Philippines.
This league serves as the platform for unity, inclusivity, sportsmanship, and most of all, entertainment.
I think you will agree with me, this is a much-awaited event because it brings us all together, not only the best athletic abilities, but also camaraderie and spirit of unity that defines us as one team.
Let's get together. Let's get together. Come on. Let's get together. Let's get together again.
5 years ago, we celebrated the very first, we became #1 nationwide. And today is also another significant day because yesterday we were announced as one of the best and model task forces in the entire country.
Come on. Let's get together.
Tulus kamu sa Mindanao. Welcome to Youth Salabao. Oh yeah, I know!
Good evening, Chief Prosecutors, our esteemed prosecutors, staff, public servants, and distinguished guests. It is with great pride and honor that I welcome you all to the regional year-end performance and assessment of the National Prosecution Service 11.
Let's get together. Let's get together. Let's get together.
I would say indeed, this is one of our very best gathering as one NPS 11 team. Let us make the most of this opportunity to learn, grow, and celebrate the success of National Prosecution Service 11.
Let's get together again.